Chair squat. Stand with your feet hip distance apart and toes slightly turned out. Place your hands where you feel most balanced. Bend at the knees to sit down onto the chair or just above. Track your hips and glutes back and down with your weight distributed in your heels, then stand back up to a starting position. Chair squat, 30 seconds. Wide leg inchworm. Stand tall with your feet fairly far apart in a wide stance. Bend forward and touch the floor with both hands. Make sure to bend your knees generously on the way down and up. Walk your hands forward so that you end up in a bent knee plank position, then walk your hands back to your feet and slowly roll up to standing. And repeat. Wide leg inchworm, 30 seconds. Walking lunge. Stand with your feet hip distance apart, toes pointing forward. Step forward with the right leg and bend at the knee to a 90-degree angle, keeping your back straight. As you bend the right knee, your left knee should move towards the floor but not touch the floor. Then step the left leg past the right into a 90-degree angle. Alternate legs and continue. Walking lunge, 30 seconds. Jumping jacks, step out. Stand with your feet together and arms down by your sides. Step your right foot out and raise your arms up to the sides. Then step back to center and repeat on the left side. Continue alternating. Jumping jacks, step out, 30 seconds. Tricep chair hold. Place your hands shoulder width apart on a stable bench or chair. Slide your bottom off the front of the chair with your legs extended in front of you and knees slightly bent. Continue holding this position. Tricep chair hold, 30 seconds. Uppercuts. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Make 2 fists and hold your arms next to your side with elbows bent. Punch the right fist across the body in an upward motion, stopping firmly at the chin level. Alternate sides and repeat. Uppercuts, 30 seconds.